What's up, you guys? Tina here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit templates directly within workflows within the email action. So gone are the days that you will have to hover over to marketing, find a template, edit the template, then go into workflows, back again, trying to find the right template. Then you need to refresh because you needed to find the updated version. It was a mess, which has been eliminated now. Let me show you how you can do that. All right, first you want to go over to automation on the left, workflows at the top, and select the workflow in question. Click edit, and right here you can see the email action. Let's click on it. Let's scroll down and you can see we pull the template, which is called video 2 out of 38. And if you hover over it, you can see a little edit pencil. Click on it and you can see the entire email popping up. Before, what you had to do is go to marketing on the left, emails and templates at the top. Remember, then you would need to find the template. Then you would need to go back into workflows and pull the template. So now that problem has been eliminated, which I'm very excited about. Now I can just go and change whatever I didn't like when I sent myself a test email within the workflow itself directly. Hit save when you're ready. And that's how easy you can edit templates within the workflow builder within the email action right now. I'll see you in the next video.